expect that I share the question with you. Check your PDF is with you. I'll just read it through. It says a channel has vertical wall 1.2 meter apart. How good? And a semicircle invert. If the center line depth is 0.9 meters and the best slope is 1 in 2500, what will be the value of C? The Chezy formula, the discharge is 0.55 meter cube per second. That's question number 4, Abi. Number 4. How good? Should we proceed? So please listen. It's calling you, please. Should we proceed, please? So yes, right there. So let's skate through by writing out the givens. So what are we given? In this case, it says a channel has vertical wall 1.2 meter apart. That's your length, right? So my length L is simply what there? 1.2 meters. Next task there is given. What's given next there? It says apart and a semicircle invert. How good? It says if the center line depth, that's D. So what's D there?
0.9.
D is 0.9 what there? Meters. Obviously, all your calculation this semester under this course is basically meters. They are all in meters. If you observe very well, everything in meters. So do what to convert them to meters. This one here is meter already, no conversion. It says, and the best slope, that's what? S naught. Huh? So what's S naught there?
1 over
1 what? 1 in what? 2500. This man means 1 over, sorry, over what? 2005. What's the value, please? Give me value, please. Value, please. Value for proceed. This will give you 0.004. 0.0004. Please confirm. Confirm this value, please. Is it correct? All right. So that's your S naught. What next is given again? It says what will be the value of C? What's C? Gong gong. What C? What will C be? 49. C is Chezy formula now.
Yes.
It's 49. All of us know it's 49. But we have to find C here.
Yes.
So we should have what? 49 is our answer. That's crazy. You get that concept now. So let's look for C in this case here. So we're asked to look for C. So C is what we're looking for. What else is given again? They said the Chezy formula, then the discharge is what? What's discharge? That's Q, Abi. That's what the 0.55 meter cube per what there? Per seconds. Let's get this man done, please. We are asked to find C. Where can I find C? Is it from Q or from V? I mean, how can I get C? There are two formulas there. I know Q equal to AV, V equal to C root RS naught. Which one will I use there? V, Abi, the part 2. So I have to recall that what? V is what? Is what? C root what there? RS naught. So yes, I there. I'm asked to find C. I need two things. What and what there? I need V. I need R. That's all, right? I need V and R. But yet, I'm having this charge here. So this I cannot waste. I can still say that Q equal to AV. Are we good? Then we know that V is what? C root RS naught, Abi. I can say that Q now is what? A. Then what's V? V is what? C root RS naught. In this case here, I don't have to stress. I have Q, Abi. Area will be found inside where? Inside R. Are we good now? Because R itself is what? Area over perimeter. So I need 1, 2, 3. That's all. You can get what? You can get C. Because S naught is given as what? 0.004. So what's the first task now? First task to get what? Get R. All good. So get R. So calculating. What's R? What's R? For hydraulic radius, please. R is hydraulic radius, please. How good? So R is what? Area over what there? Perimeter. All right. So what do I do in this case, please? How do I get my area, my perimeter concept? Now observe, please. Now observe. How many shape do I have here? How many shape do I have here? How many shape is here? Two shape, semicircle, and obviously a rectangular in shape. Observe this, please. Observe this. I do like this now. Rectangle, semicircle. How good? Two shapes in one. Yeah. Now what do you do? Listen. For your area calculation, please. Area calculation. Area for this shape. Oh, listen. Now for semicircle, hold on. For a complete circle, what's the area? Pi d square over 4. Abi. Now if I'm now having half of it, what will it become? What will happen? Here becomes what? The 2, because half. See what I'm saying? Because I'm vernacular. Becomes half, Abi. Because I'm using semicircle. That'll be half. That'll be 2. So I'll have my as what? First is first. I'm considering this first shape, Abi. For this one, I'll have what? Pi what? D square over 2. Then plus. Now, because I have two shapes. The first one plus. What's this one here? Rectangle, Abi. What's the formula for rectangle? Length times breadth as the area. Because what there? Length times what there? My breadth. Are we good? Put in value what you have there. Your area is equal to what's pi? 3.112, Abi. So let me just to save space. Pi still remain pi into what's the diameter, Abi? 0.9. How good? Sorry, my diameter in this case, this is depth to this here is what? Diameter, please, is what? 0.6, Abi. I have 0.6 what there? All square, Abi, over 2. Next up, plus length. What's the length here? Yeah? 1.2 now, Abi. That gives you 1.2 times what's the breadth there? 0. No, it is 0.6, 0.3 in this case. Now here's the idea. If here gives you diameter 0.6, half of it is what? 3, Abi. So in this case here, what they used was 0.3 in this case, right? So they use half of diameter as the normal, as the breadth of this. Observe that year to year is certain as what is year to year. How about half of this thing here? If here 0.6 now, everything 0.6, half of it what is here? How good? This one is depth. You get? I can't pick this one for the what's it called? The breadth, because it's from here down here. So half of this one is 0.3, 0.3, Abi. What is here to here? It's something what is here to here? 0.3. So I have what there? 0.3 what? 3, Abi. Value, please. What do I have? What's area? What do I have here? Value, please. What do I have? Can I clean this part? Huh? Huh? All right. Is it recording? Please check. Is it recording? All right. Now let's get area, please. Area is equal to. Please let me point this, please. 3.142. That's 5 times. All right. 0.56556, Abi. Yeah. Plus. Multiply this what I have there. That's 0.36. Am I correct? Please add this up. What I have there. What's the area here? Add them up. Area gives you 0.925 meter square. Please confirm the answer, please. Area gives you 0.925 meter square. That's the area for this concept. So observe that this shape here, I have two shapes, semicircle and what there? A rectangle. I'm applying the formulas together, and that's all. The area of a semicircle is this. For rectangle is this, and that's all. All right. So let's go next now. Guess what? Perimeter, Abi. Perimeter, Abi. So let's go perimeter, please. So calculate for perimeter, please. Calculating for what now? For perimeter P. In this case, perimeter P will be equal to, now listen, I have circles and what? Oh, by the way, semicircle and what? And rectangle, Abi. Now look up, please. Look up. If I have a full circle this way, full circle, what's better of a circle? That's 2 pi r. Like 2 pi r is for a full circle. For half a circle, now because of the pi r, the 2 will leave. You get, like, divide that thing by 2. Divided by 2 gives you what? Just around what? Pi r for what? A semicircle. So we're having what? Pi r here. Pi what? Pi r plus what? What's next shape here? Rectangle, Abi. What's the rectangle? Length plus what there? Plus breadth, Abi. Now listen. In this case here, what they used was that they used 2 into 0.3. You know, 0.3 here was like the breadth here, right? So what they used was that they used 2 of breadth. In this case, yes, in this case. So let's go with what is there. Right. So normally we're meant to add 1.2 with what? 0.3. Have we? Yes, gives you 0.3. How good? So that's what they use here, right? So let's put it this way. So now, like, I have 1 year, that's 2. Of said year to year is 0.3, Abi. So this what from year to year is something what is year to year. How good? So they added this part, the weighted part. You know, we said for area and perimeter, it's not just area, not just perimeter. It's area of what? Weighted part. Here in a perimeter now, this part is not weighted now, it's just the length, right? The weighted part is this part. This is where the water reach. This is water here. Here's the weighted part of this rectangular shape. Add the value. This one here is 0.3. 2 of it. I can say 0.3 times 0.3 if I want to, or 2 into 0.3. Now, what's my pi? It's constant, Abi. P is equal to what there? 3.142 times what's my R here in this case? R, they use 0.6, Abi. 0.6. All right. Plus, what's this one here? 0.6. Multiply what I have here, please. Multiply this what I have. Multiply what do we have there? So P is equal to this one, Abi. All of them, Abi. 2.48 what? 8 meters. Let's stop here. So multiply all this value. You have what there? Multiply these two and add a value with 0.6 there. You have what? This value. I've gotten A. I've gotten P. What next now? Let's get R. How good? What's R? We said R is what? Is area over. What's the area value? Please check. This one here. 0.9 what? 25 all over. Perimeter is what? This one here. 2.4. Please divide. What do I have? The 2, Abi. All right. All right. Take this one down. So in this case here, I have that my R divides what I have there. What do you have? R is what? 0. What? 0.37 what? In what? In meters. All right. Please, anything else to look for? No. What I have to find? C. No, it's C. We have to find look for C, Abi. We have to look for C. Check. We have to find for C. Right? 0.37 what? Exactly. I have 2 here too. It was 2. I have 2 here. All right. It's 2. How good? Should proceed. I've gotten R. Now, record the formula initially. We said we're using Q equal to what there? A what? AC root what? R S naught. We are asked to find C. Do we know area? Yes. Do we know Q? Yes. Do we know R? Yes. This is R now. Do we know S naught? Yes. That's 0.004 from the beginning. That was 1 over 2,500.
Yes.
So we know it. We can get C now. So let's make C subject. So listen, I want to make C stand alone. I have to eliminate what? A and what? And root RS naught. So I'll divide both sides by what? Divided by what? A root what? RS naught. Here by what? A root what? RS naught. This one will cancel this and this. So what's C now? C is equal to what there? Q all over what? A root what? RS naught. Let's put in value and get C. I must have either 49 or approximable 49. Let's see. Take this one off. Copy in Abby. All right. Let's get C. Let's get C from here. Should we proceed? Now, listen, look up this. In this case now, C will be equal to, what's Q? Please check. What's Q? Q is 0.55 all over, what's A? A is this value, have it? 0.925 root, what's R? 0.372 times, what's S naught? 0.0004. All right, I have this, please. Work on this. Repeat numerator. This gives you 0.55. Take this one off. Take this one off. All over, I have what? 0.925. Then root. Please multiply this inner one. What do you have alone? The inner one gives you about 0.0001488. Inner one alone gives you this. How good? C will be equal to 0.55 all over, right? Repeat this one, 0.925 times, what's part of this? Root of this value is what? That gives you about 0.012198. Take root of this value, gives you this. How good? Now C will be equal to, repeat this one again, 0.55 all over, multiply these two. What do you have there? It gives you about 0.01128. You can confirm, please. Finally, divide this by this. C will be equal to 48.7. Approximate value. What's C? C is what? 49. That's obvious. I have 48.7. I can approximate 49. That's obvious. So this is how you get C. No, it's not 49. It is 49.1, 49.2, 3, 4. See the same thing, but 49.5. No, it's wrong. So this is how you get this man done, please. All right, see you guys in our next tutorial class, please.
I just launched a book called The Shortcut to Academic Success. In this book, I share a lot of experience on how I evaluated during my time in school. This method really helped me a lot. If you're interested in getting this book, simply chat me up through my WhatsApp number that is shown in the screen,